Number 10. 1970 Plymouth HEMI Superbird. The 1970 Plymouth HEMI Superbird marked a new chapter in Chrysler's aero body legacy, specifically engineered for NASCAR to take on in the Ford Torino Talladega. It shares the B-body platform with its more modest sibling, the Plymouth Roadrunner, but was crafted to push boundaries on the track. Most Superbirds came with a 440 Super Commando V8, but only 135 were equipped with the powerful 426 HEMI engine. This upgrade allowed the race-ready Superbird to hit speeds up to 200 miles per hour, earning its place as one of the fastest muscle cars of the era, though it raised concerns for motorsport safety. The Superbird's unique cone-nose design helped achieve an impressive drag coefficient of 0.28, ensuring the vehicle cut through the air at supercar speeds. Number 9. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona 426 HEMI. As Dodge's first aero body car, the 1969 Charger Daytona was a pioneer in the Mopar world. Although produced for 2 years, its numbers were limited to 503, making it even rarer than the one-year-only Superbird. Out of these, only 70 were fitted with the iconic 426 HEMI, making these versions incredibly valuable. With a similar cone nose and prominent wing, the Daytona also achieved the coveted 0.28 drag coefficient, rivaling the Superbird in performance. Today, pristine HEMI Daytonas can command prices well into 6 figures, with top-condition models reaching over $1 million. Number 8. 1968 Dodge Charger 500. Before the Superbird and Daytona, Dodge introduced the Charger 500 to compete in NASCAR. This car sported design tweaks like a recessed rear window, an indented front grille, and a chin spoiler for better aerodynamics. Although it didn't dominate on the track, it managed to capture the public's interest. Of the planned 500 units, 392 were sold. Priced at $3,843 with the 440 V8 as standard, an additional $648 would get you the 426 HEMI engine. Only 67 models included the HEMI, and just 27 of those had the coveted 4-speed manual transmission. Number 7. 1967 Dodge Coronet W023. Built for drag racing, the 1967 Dodge Coronet W023 shed every non-essential feature to save weight, including the heater, sound deadening, and carpets. Weighing in at 3,451 pounds, this was a true drag strip contender. Out of the 55 W023s made, 39 featured the 727 Torque Flight automatic transmission. The car's sure grip 4.87 to 1 rear axle ratio kept it performing optimally on the track. Number 6. 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 2R023. The 1967 Belvedere 2R023 was another stripped-down muscle car ready for NHRA Superstock racing. Non-performance features like the radio and sound insulation were removed, resulting in a weight of just 3,051 pounds. This model's HEMI engine came with heavy-duty internals, and only 17 of the R023 units featured the 4-speed A833 transmission. Number 5. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda B029 Superstock. The 1968 Plymouth Barracuda B029 Superstock was a fierce competitor, thanks to a collaboration with Hearst Performance. Based on the smaller A-body platform, it included a lightweight build, fiberglass fenders, and a reinforced chassis. This drag strip powerhouse could complete a quarter mile in about 10 seconds, a feat that made it the Demon 170 of its time. While records show 50 units, some sources suggest that up to 70 may have been built. Number 4. 1971 Plymouth HEMI GTX. With emission regulations looming, the 1971 Plymouth HEMI GTX was among the last of the powerful pre-smog-era muscle cars. Marketed as a gentleman's muscle car, the GTX came with the 426 Street HEMI, which kept its conservative horsepower rating. Out of the 2,942 GTXs made in 1971, only 30 included the costly HEMI engine option, making it both powerful and rare. Number 3. 1968 Dodge Super B 426 HEMI. The 1968 Super B was a bold muscle car based on the Coronet, but with unique graphics inspired by the Roadrunner. Equipped with the 426 Street HEMI, the Super B had a longer wheelbase and slightly heavier frame than its sibling. Despite being a parts bin special, only 22 Hemi-powered Super Bs were produced, making it one of the rarest models of the classic Mopar lineup. Number 2. 1970 Plymouth HEMI Cuda Convertible. The 1970 HEMI Cuda Convertible is an icon. Out of the 2,793 Plymouth Barracuda convertibles produced that year, only 21 came with the HEMI V8. By 1971, that number had dropped to just 7, making it one of the most collectible Mopars. One of the 1971 HEMI Cuda convertibles was auctioned for $4.8 million in 2021. Number 1. 1966 Dodge Coronet HEMI 4-door. In 1966, Dodge briefly experimented with a 4-door Coronet equipped with the 426 HEMI engine, creating one of the first true American sleeper cars. Without power steering or air conditioning, this rare muscle sedan was all about performance. Only 5 were made, with 2 reportedly commissioned by the FBI, 2 exported, and just 1 remaining in civilian hands in the United States. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic car content. Thank you for watching.